The Razer Deathadder V3 Pro was already an awesome gaming mouse, and now Razer has made it even better with the latest Deathadder V3 Pro. This gaming mouse has excellent ergonomics, a stronger battery backup, and plenty of major improvements. But how good is it compared to the fan-favorite Logitech G Pro X Superlight? To figure that out, we will be comparing these two gaming mice in this video. First off, we want to talk about the design and build quality of these two mice. When it comes to ergonomics, Deathadder V3 is an excellent gaming mouse just like its predecessor. The side buttons and the upper portion of the mouse have been slightly adjusted for the maximum level of comfort. On top of that, the mouse let go of a significant proportion of its weight as it now weighs only 64 grams. Users with palm grip style will find this mouse the most appropriate. G Pro X Superlight, on the other hand, lives up to its name as this mouse weighs less than 63 grams. The overall design of the mouse looks quite clean, while the ambidextrous mold will fit claw and fingertip users perfectly. Taking a look at the internal specs of these mice, Deathadder V3 Pro is powered by their Focus Pro 30K optical sensor along with the Gen 3 optical mouse switches. We also have hyperspeed wireless connectivity on this thing that has a maximum wireless polling rate of up to 4000 Hz. Combined, the mouse delivers outstanding accuracy, while the 90 hours of battery backup is also an amazing thing to have. On the other side of the spectrum, G Pro X Superlight is powered by Logitech's Hero 25K sensor coupled with their infamous Lightspeed technology and Omron 20M switches. Altogether, this wireless mouse delivers about 70 hours of battery backup from a single charge. While the performance, accuracy, and response of these mice are more or less similar, we can expect higher playtime from the Deathadder V3 Pro. And that leaves us with only one thing: the price. The recently released Deathadder V3 Pro costs around $150, while the Logitech G Pro X is up for grabs at about $133. So you get the idea of how both these mice are on the premium side judging by the price. While the V3 Pro costs a little extra, it has greater battery life and an ergonomic design to offer, and if you want to save up some bucks, the G Pro X Superlight won't disappoint you. So that was all about the Razer Deathadder V3 Pro versus Logitech G Pro X debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.